Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our daily tech news. Amazfit completed 3 years in India, and to celebrate the milestone, Zepp Health, which owns the Zepp and Amazfit brands, today announced the Zepp Z in the Indian market. The Zepp Z is priced at 25,999 Indian rupees or $350 and it will be up for purchase in the country starting July 20 from Amazon.in. The Zepp Z supports a 1.39-inch AMOLED color touchscreen having 454 by 454 pixel resolution and a pixel density of 326 ppi. The display is covered with the 2.5D Gorilla Glass 3, has a peak brightness of 550 nits and supports over 50 watch faces. The smartwatch has 580 water resistance and comes with heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen level monitoring, and stress monitoring. It can also track your sleep and comes with 90 sports modes to cover a wide variety of activities. The Zepp Z also has GPS and Alexa on board. The latter allows you to control smart home devices, set alarms, check the weather, and perform a few more activities through the smartwatch when it's connected to a smartphone. In addition to Alexa, you also get a built-in offline voice assistant with the Zepp Z, which supports 58 voice commands to help you operate the smartwatch hands-free. The Zepp Z weighs 40 grams without its leather straps and packs a 340 mAh battery advertised to provide up to 15 days of endurance. And once the cell is completely drained, you can juice it up with the bundled magnetic wireless charger, which takes 2.5 hours to fully charge the battery. So, what do you think, guys, of this Amazfit Zepp Z smartwatch? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing and hit that bell icon for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.